Hey, what up everyone? What's up traders? Welcome to our Forex Weekly Analysis for the week of October 6th to the 10th, 2021. This is the very first week of October, guys, trading multiple time frame, trading with our TWEforexsystem.com. So make sure that you stay to the end so you can grab one or two or three or four or all five ideas, and hopefully all will make sense to you. So welcome to our Forex Weekly Analysis, trading with Tim with Irvin for the week of October 6th to the 10th. All right, let's get to work. Let's see what the market has to offer this present week, guys. We are gonna go ahead and start with our AUDUSD. I want to give you a shout out, guys. I forgot the name of the trader, but he asked me to please add gold, and whoever was that person, I just wanted to let you know that I did listen to, I read your question, and I really wanted to give you gold because you asked for it. If you guys want me to analyze any pair of whatever is in your mind, make sure you let me know in the comment below so I can put it on our weekly analysis. All right, so let's go ahead and start with AUDUSD. Pay close attention what AUDUSD is doing, guys. What the market is offering at this real time here is the market, it is in a sell position here. Multiple time frame is selling. Pay close attention what your dashboard is telling you, guys. Your dashboard here is telling you that the multiple time frame is on a buy position right now. So, but our TWE sniper entry is telling us that we are selling. Pay close attention here. This is what I want you to understand here. So the market is selling. So why is that buy position valid at this present time, right? That is the question that you need to ask yourself. Why is that position in a buy at this present time? Well, what is happening in here, guys, is the market, yes, the market is giving us a buy position. So this buy position here represent a pullback. So the market on Friday still was hanging on a buy position. What's my understanding for this coming week, for the week of October 6th to the 10th, trading our Forex multiple time frame weekly analysis. So what I'm saying here is the market still has potential to come back and retest your 50 Fibonacci line. And from there, remember, the market is selling, guys. Don't get it wrong. The market's still selling here. From here, market will drop, retesting your 61 to your 78 Fibonacci line. Most likely it's gonna come back and retest this preview multiple time frame arrows in here. And what is gonna happen from there, market is gonna make a small retracement. By then it's gonna be Wednesday. So this coming Wednesday, we're gonna do the before and after. So all those newbies, they are here in our channel, guys. This is what we do here on our Team with Irvin channel. We like to analyze and give you data that does not exist. Look at what I'm giving you here. The month of September, we lost only 2 trades, guys, the entire month. That is freaking awesome, guys. So there will be a lot of companies charging you hundreds and hundreds of dollars for signals. So stop wasting your money in signal. In my opinion, you should learn how to trade and collect those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars trading with multiple time frames. So in here in our channel, we will make you the signal of your channel. So we're gonna teach you step by step how you're gonna be collecting these hundreds and hundreds of pips with the market. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure I did clean it up in here. So in here, the market is all this data that I just gave you here. This is the before, and the after is when all the candles are gonna appear on Wednesday. We're gonna do the after. Okay, so make sure you do stay in it. All right, the next pair that I have for everyone here, it is a USD Canadian. Someone sent me a message, Irvin, oh, the market is crazy on Friday. It was acting up. No, maybe because you don't have multiple time frames. That's why you were stressing out. But look at here. Look at this one, guys. The multiple time frame is the way to trade the market. Look at here. Boom. Market is only selling at this real time. I don't care what's going on. Look at here. Boom. It's selling, right? Look at your dashboard, guys. Your dashboard is also everything is selling in here. So market is selling 100%. So If you would have multiple time frame, you wouldn't understand that here we have a continuation of that sell position. Well, so what is the market doing at this real time right now? Well, on Friday, market was still selling. I can say market for on Monday or Tuesday still gonna come back and retest your previous multiple time frame and all this low here, which is look, there are multiple time frame arrows in here as well. So most likely it's gonna come back to your 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement, making this sell position stronger. Then finally, market is gonna continue in a sell position. What do you guys think? Any question, guys? Look, I'm doing this from the bottom of my heart. I just wanted to make sure that you do come up with question. And one thing before I do forget, guys, please remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader. Please do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose. If you don't know how to trade, ask for help. If you want me to teach you how to trade, let me know. The link of my information is on the description of this video. Send me a message and we can do a class with you so you can learn, okay? But also for all those newbies that are watching us here, if you want to grab our multiple time frame, you can become a member, guys. The link is on the description of this video. Join our multiple time frame so you can collect these hundreds and hundreds of pips with us. Make sure everyone like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can share whatever social media you wish. So the goal here is to keep helping the world to make money so they can pay their bills a lot easier, so they can learn these skills, okay? All right, so the next pair that I have for you guys is Euro GBP. Euro GBP, guys, is selling at this present time. Look at this beautiful trade here, but let me explain you what Euro GBP is really doing. So Euro GBP is in a buy position. So right now we are doing a what? What do you guys think this sell position represent here? Remember, look at here, market is buying, right? So this sell position here represent a what? What do you guys think it represent? It represent a pullback. That's what it is. So a pullback sell position is still pending. So in my opinion, the market still has potential to retest your 61 to your 78 Fibonacci line. From there, market will continue as a buy. Look at the buy. Buyers are in control here. Then market will continue as a buy, coming into your 50 Fibonacci line. But then it's gonna be Wednesday, and then we're gonna review do the before and after, and you're gonna see how the month of October is gonna perform. Guys, this is a brand new month, brand new month. So I don't know, to be honest, what to expect on the market this coming month, the month of October. I really don't know. So all I can tell you, we have a very successful month on the September. So I don't know what is gonna happen this month. I really don't know. So, but we're gonna figure it out together as a team. We're gonna work it out. All right, so let me know, guys, if you guys have any question, and please, guys, do me a favor, make sure you do subscribe to our daily trading forex video. The link is on the description of this video, and if you want to grab a multiple time frame, the link is below. It's tweforexsystem.com. That is one way, right? Another way that you can do things that we give you here, guys, just by giving you weekly analysis, we give you over 1,200 free pips week after week, letting you know what the market is doing. All right, so make sure you do subscribe. Yeah, guys, so over 1,200 pips every week by giving you guys free weekly YouTube video. That is freaking amazing. A lot of people would charge you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars for this information, but with me, no, I want you to keep those hundreds and hundreds of dollars for yourself and your family. So stop wasting your money. If you don't have the multiple time frame, yes, I do understand. For that, I'm sorry, I cannot give you the multiple time frame. You're gonna have to join one way or another, or become a member on our YouTube channel. But stop wasting your money. All right. All right. The next pair that I have, this is for a trader. A trader asked me to add this particular pair, gold. So Irvin, please don't forget to add gold. I really want to see what gold is gonna be doing the week of October 6th to the 10th. So why not? There it is. Look at here, trader. So what the market is doing is the market is in a sell position, right? Look at here. TW sniper entry is also selling. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is burning red. So everything is selling, but the market is getting ready for a buy position, which is true. So yes, the market here is selling. So our multiple time frame is letting us know, hey, I am gonna be doing a pullback because the sellers is game over. So yeah, remember the sellers are in charge, but the buyers need to, the sellers need a break. So the buyers need to take over for a minute so they can take a lot of people out and blow accounts and so on. So what the market is doing at this present time here, guys, is the market is in a buy position, a pullback slide buy position. So in my opinion, the market is still gonna come back and retest your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci line here, multiple previous areas in here, support and resistance, and then from there, remember the sellers are in charge, and then from here market will continue as a sell. And then we're gonna do on Wednesday our before and after, so you can see what the market is doing. Whoever was the trader, shout out to you. I forgot your name, but I just wanted to make sure that I do give you this particular pair, because we love to celebrate success. We love to celebrate what? Yeah, you better believe that. Boom, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's what we love to do, guys. We love to give you data that does not exist. So we celebrate with, oh my God, I'm telling you guys. So yeah, guys, make sure, guys, everybody, guys, do me a favor. Make sure you do subscribe so you don't ever miss any content from us. And since I already have you here, guys, let me know if you guys have any question. You can type TWE on the comment, guys. Go ahead, type TWE if you are enjoying this video and you are getting value from this video. All right, so start wasting your money on signal. So we give you over 1,200 pips every week for free here in our Team with Irvin channel. So all you have to do is come and grab some. Remember, I'm not giving you signal, nothing like that, and neither am your financial advisor, but we give you free information, guys. Stop wasting your money. All I'm asking in favor is for you to subscribe, share it with all the fellow traders, or if you want to grab a multiple time frame, you are more than welcome to do it. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, and do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. All right, the next pair that I have for everyone, it is USDJPY. I told everyone the USDJPY was in a sell position, and I want to give you a shout out. There was one of our traders, Irvin. The USDJPY did respect all the rules. Yes, remember, there is a lot of heavy news going on with the USD pair. So always check the news. No matter what I'm gonna be telling you today, guys, everything is subject to change based on the news that are gonna be released this coming week. So the trader was correct. So the market did a heavy pullback. So multiple time frame was in a buy position. The trader knew this was in a buy position. He knew it. The only thing is that he was surprised. He was like, why is the market keep going and going and going? I mean, the market do whatever it wants. So, but the trader really brought it up to my attention when the market was, oh my God, it was forming a beautiful sell in here. So I ended a trade here. Look at here. I multiple trade this one. I think I did like 7 trades and I collect pretty good pips. But and then I left only one trade running. So right now there is a trade active right now at 91 pips, right? So we secure no matter what happened with the market on Monday or Tuesday. So we secure 20 pips. So that is 185.51 pips. Look at that, $185 in there. That's a lot of money, guys. Just one trade in there. So hell yeah, guys. But there is plenty in there. All right. So all I can say this week, guys, the market still has potential to come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci line. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement, retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci line. Then boom, market will continue as a sell position. Because what I'm expecting to see here, guys, I'm expecting to see our TWE sniper entry forming in this area here and letting us know the market will do only one thing. The